Frozen Eastern.
Wait, did daylight savings happen?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Oh, it did? Oh. So I'm back with California time.
Hello, California.
You went stick drift. I'm sorry.
He went stick drift. You're good. Still got most of my shots.
Yes!
Oh, I got myself stuck. Oh, I'm good.
Oh my god.
Still on auto, I think.
Yes, we have.
Yo, like, playing defense during... No, we didn't win auto. Because I got stuck.
Did we? It's our turn.
No, it's our turn, so we didn't win.
Oh.
Dude, I can't see anything, and he got me stuck! Like, holy buns!
He's preventing me.
Like, how is that not a foul? Like, for real. How is getting somebody stuck like that not a foul?
Whoa, 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 tipping. Whoa, 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 what the heck was that? Whoa.
I'm recording.
That was a me thing. That wasn't. I gotta reset.
Was you? Okay.
That wasn't them pushing me. That was me running into a ball, which caused me to tip.
Oh.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh!
What?
I do. What's happening?
I got a G407. I thought I got a million of them for a second.
Yeah, I got laggy.
Yeah. I shot one ball up into our zone from outside when passing, my bad. Yep, perfect. Good, we got blocking.
Oh my.
Yeah, fouls just lag the game out like crazy.
We need some more balls, guys.
5 seconds, somebody go defense,
I got
defense. Yeah, he's just sitting there. Nice, good stuff. None of those counted. Maybe like one did. We can bring this back.
They're pushing me across.
8 seconds.
I'm going
One
back.
of you head back at 5 left.
I'll stay.
Yeah. They're sending two over.
Yep, just try and score. Or just play defense. Or just climb. Doesn't matter.
Go. Yes.
Yeah, no, you don't have to play defense. I can score right over his head. He can't do anything about me.
Coming back.
Nice.
4, 3, 2, 1 second. Beautiful job.
Yes! Let's go. I don't even know how I didn't get my climb, but it's fine. 2-0.